I have seen so many goddamn people, so many, join Skool and then pick a niche, whatever niche it is, and then start building out a course for months and months and months. I know you said 30 days, but they spend the first 30 days just building out this course, which makes absolutely no sense because a lot of the time they have no market research and they have no idea what people want, and they just want to build something cool, which is perfectly fine. Yeah, for sure do that. But I have seen so many people go through that stage where they spend 30 days, 2 months, 3 months, whatever it is, and then eventually start talking to people only for those people to be like, oh, I don't want it. And then they get disappointed and they leave. That's assuming they even make it to that point. Because a lot of the time, if you're spending a month on a course, there is no feedback loop that you're doing it well, especially if it's your first course. That is such a big, huge role to fulfill. And it's just something that you're putting on yourself because it's what you believe you have to do to make money, which you don't. Second mistake I see is not picking a niche quickly enough and spending weeks trying to figure out what to do. Picking a niche is actually pretty simple. I like using 2 things. Number 1 is Ikigai. So within Ikigai, I'm looking at it right now, it's what you love, what you're good at, what you can be paid for, and what the world needs. And if you fill that graph out, you can set it up, you'll get a pretty good understanding of what you could actually do. You niche down the niches that you could do. And then if you want to put it in reality, then you can use Hormozi's model on top of the things that you just wrote down by running it through, okay, from the things I just wrote down, does it hit a pain point? Do these people have purchasing power? Are they easy to target? And is the niche growing? And then you'll be left with probably 1. But if you have a few more, then I would just I would go into Veal, like theveal.com, and I would put in the different niches and just get one. And then while the wheel is spinning, you'll probably be like, oh, I actually really want that one. And then you can just do that one. But if that doesn't come to mind, then you can just pick the one that it comes with, because ultimately you just need experience to see which one you do like doing. And it's way worse to try and pick a niche for 2 weeks and then feel incredibly disappointed and demotivated at the end and then stop and then leave. So pick one, see how you like it. You don't like it, not the end of the world. You can just change it later. Thank you for watching the video. Go to the description and click the first link. And then that way we can have a call about why your Skool community isn't growing as fast as you want it to.